it's Brian. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about emergency food storage and share with you my family's journey in our emergency food preparation. We started off with just having canned goods, whether it will be soup or meats, tuna, sardines, chicken, beans, etc. Then we progressed and we bought pails, 72-hour kits. There's 30-day kits. There's all types of size durations of kits. Then we moved on, and our Church of the Latter-day Saints offers these number 10 cans. So we have cans of apples, potatoes. They're dehydrated and canned, so that way we could open them if we needed to. From there, we progressed into the things that we use on a regular basis. So we buy in bulk for wheat berries because we grind flour to make our bread. And whether it be sugar, salt, rice, we buy packets and we put them in pails. And then eventually, we actually enjoy canning. So the Honey Bunnies, my wife and I, we together, whether it's soup stock, whatever's in season, carrots, and here is some smoked pork I did a few months ago. So again, hope some of these ideas and just wherever you are, you can have solutions. These were very economical. Buying canned goods on sale, and then as we buy in bulk. Again, we're always trying to think, what can we do that's actually economical? Where do we have storage space? What fits us for where we are in life? Hope some of those ideas from my family are able to help yours. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at bepreparedsolutions.co, or please read some of the articles. We have a depth and breadth of information on not only emergency food storage, but a myriad of other topics for emergency readiness. Hope this has helped you. Thank you. Bye-bye.